Chudáčku, pojď sem. Táhni. Tu svině, ty holuby.
So there are pigeons, ducks, and swans all here, it looks like. A big ass bird. It's been a really cool day for video. The girl's funny.
Já přece tady nebudu živit holuby.
This bird is huge! Matt, lay down next to it.
I didn't know swans were that big.
I didn't either.
I've never been this close to one before.
It's close.
Yeah, God.
Away.
Have you ever seen a swan this close up before?
No.
Me neither.
Look at their necks, they're so elegant. Jeez. Do you see they're training to be old women on the tram?
Yeah, shooing away.
Yeah.
Young.
Look at their crap over there.
What?
By the tree.
Oh. Is that theirs? Yeah, I guess.
Of course it's theirs. Oh, there's somebody rowing on the lake, or the river, I mean.
It seems cold for that. I think it's windy for that.
I think it's windy for that. What do you think though? Ah!